Unit 4, Class 12th, Physical Education, SPD, Sensory Processing Disorder. To understand SPD, I had already taught you or teached you about ADHD in previous lecture. What is ADHD? A group of behavior symptoms, hyperactivity and impulsiveness. A problem with emotional or social behavior, self-centered. I had already teached you about the causes of ADHD and symptoms. Before understanding SPD, you should know the causes and the meaning of ADHD. What is SPD? Sensory processing disorders. It is related to our sense and sense organs of our body. You all know how many senses are there in our body. Sensory processing disorder is a condition in which brain has difficulty in receiving and responding information to the information that comes in through senses. In this, brain feel difficulty in responding to the information, and that information can be touch, feel or smell. SPD refers to the way the nervous system receives message from the senses and then turn into a proper motor and behavior response. What is motor and behavior response? Motor responses are when you are taking part in different physical activities or doing any work where there is a movement. All the activities such as reading book or riding a bicycle requires accurate process of sensation. There is an example while reading a book. As a student, every day you are reading a book. How you read a book? In reading a book, first you watch. Your senses are working there. Then the message by the nervous system, it goes to a brain, and brain then calculate that word or a proper diagram. Then we are able to frame that sentence or a particular example. Some sort of neurological traffic jam that prevents certain part of the brain from receiving information required to interrupt sensory information accurately. That is SPD. When senses are unable to pass through, or there is a certain type of traffic jam between nervous system and brain. In this disorder, it also may affect senses such as touch, sight, taste or movement. Sometimes we see it also affect multiple senses. In this disorder, a person may scream when touched, or may vomit or dive under the table after hearing the sound. But in some cases, person with SPD may remain unresponsive to anything around him. Even he may fail to give any response to extreme heat or cold. He is unable to respond because there is a problem between senses, or there is some kind of barrier is between senses and brain. Causes of sensory processing disorders. First cause is genetic cause. Second, low birth weight, environmental factors, physical cause. Let's see genetic cause. Genetic cause in that children born to adult who have autism spectrum disorder, or you can say ASD, may be at the higher risk for developing SPD. Low birth weight. Low birth weight is also considered one of the cause of sensory processing disorders. We can see commonly in our country. Environmental factor. It is one of the most important factor. Children who are adopted often experience sensory processing disorder due to restrictions in their early lives or poor parental care, or if their lifestyle is not positive, they are not following healthy lifestyle. Physical cause indicate that individual with SPD have abnormal brain activities which, exposed to certain stimuli, have differences in brain structure which provide a biological basis. It means neurological or neurodevelopment disorder that is directly related to our brain and nervous system. Autism spectrum disorder. Few minutes before I had already told you about SPD. Sensory processing disorders is related to our senses. Autism spectrum disorder, ASD, is a disorder that affects development of a child in a term of communication and social behavior. The young children with ASD have difficulties with communication, language, social skill, and behavior. In other words, autism spectrum disorders are characterized by social interaction difficulties. As we all are staying at society and living at society, sometimes ASD students or person may feel difficulty in interacting in society and even in class. When they are in class, they are unable to interact with their friends, with their colleagues. Autism spectrum disorder, ASD. For example, ASD may have differently or repeat some activity over and over. We had seen in ASD child, whatever activity or motor skill a child does, he repeats again and again. Children with ASD do not have some problem of behavior. Usually the affect children with ASD may show symptoms. They may show some symptoms that are They avoid eye contact and prefer to be alone. This is one of the important systems that can be seen in a school while teaching in a class. They do not like to be embraced and repeat words and actions. Whatever they are doing, they repeat their action again and again. Even some of the words they repeat again and again. Even they feel difficulty in expressing their need and emotions. Their need and emotions. They are very sensitive to taste and sound. SPD, ASD person is very sensitive to taste and smell. Causes of autism spectrum disorder or ASD. The available data released that to the field suggests that this disorder results from different sets or cause set of causal factors such as genetic and environmental. First is genetic factor. Genetic problem seems to play an important role in ASD, and we can divide genetic factor into in 2 points. We can divide. First is that something happens during fetal development that alters a gene, that is in a mother fetus when there is a process of development of a child. Second is that child inherits problematic genes from mother or a father. Inherit. It goes from their parents to the child. In genetic factors, that is why a child is more likely to have ASD if a parent is affected with ASD. It is a fact that at least 10% children with ASD have from genetic disorders. Environmental factors. There is no solid evidence that show ASD can be caused by anything in the environment, like diet or exposure to a certain drugs or toxins. Third is brain development. It has seen or observed that the brain of a child with ASD develops differently in growing children when they are growing. In such children, brain grows at a faster rate during the first 3 years of childhood. Such children have more cells than they are required. The connection between the cells are not proper. We can say it may be one of the causes of ASD.